Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the euro symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a euro symbol on your Google Sheet mobile? I just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the sheet here. I'm just going to insert a actually a euro symbol. So just click on the enter the formula option. You will see a lot of symbol option. First of all, you just want to note that there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet mobile. Instead of that, you can just use an alternative of your keyboard. Here just using Google keyboard or Gboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. Click on this number option, and here the long press on the dollar option, which will be pop up a lot of currency symbols. Here you can find the euro symbol. So just long press it, select it, drop it. Long press it, select, drop it. And another way is clicking on this equal symbol. You can find a individual key of euro symbol. So this is how you just insert a euro symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.